A while ago, I teamed up with the city of Antwerp for a street art project. It was an incredible experience, painting stories next to our river, the Schelde. But when the project was done, I saw how much trash was created. There were so many empty spray cans, just waiting to be thrown away. This got me to thinking, how could I give these old cans a new purpose, a second life? Come along and let me show you what I came up with. After the project, I started looking at others and seeing what they were doing with their leftover cans. Turned out, some of them were actually drawing on them. So I picked up my first can, sketched a scene of my daughter playing with an octopus, but even though the artwork turned out beautifully, it still felt like a dead object. No use, just like a porcelain figure sitting on a shelf. I wanted more than just a pretty picture. I wanted these cans to be alive again, to have a purpose. So I started thinking outside the box. What if I opened them? The first time I opened one, it wasn't the best idea. The ceiling of my shed can attest to that. But eventually I found out how to do it better. In the beginning, I used a hole saw to puncture the cans. Now I grind the bottom of each can. This new method gives me easy access to the internals. Once they're open, the real cleanup begins. I scrub out the inside with thinner and a cloth, making sure that every inch of them is spotless. This part of the process, I have to admit, is my least favorite. It's tedious, it's messy, but very, 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 very essential. So yeah, I have to do it. After cleaning, it is time to get these cans ready for their new gig. I grind a slit up top for each one of them, then sand them down so that there are no sharp bits and that they're nice and smooth. Once they're good to go, I hit them with a fresh coat of new spray paint and let them dry off. Now, the fun part begins. I usually work on a bunch of these cans at once. I put them next to me on the couch. Most of the time, the color and accent shades of the can inspire my drawings. I use a 3B pencil to sketch on the cans and some Posca markers to finalize the illustration. Once the drawings are done, I add the final touches to give them their new purpose. The top of each can with a spray cap as a nod to their past, and I add a cork in the bottom as a nod to their future. Now they're not just decorative, they're functional piggy banks, ready to save up your coins. I feel great knowing that they have a new life and a new purpose beyond just being statues. Once all the cans are finished, I record them so you can see the final results. So stick around, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one do you like the most. Enjoy! So thank you for your time. If you want to see more, check out Foeshel.com. See you next time.